So welcome back to Recreation episode 5. Today they will be inspecting the back of the car. They're inspecting the back of the car. Why?
For the rust, any rust underneath, any corrosion.
Right, so I'm gonna leave them to it. Like you already know, huge project. Yeah. My project's the red one now. So off you go.
Is rusted quite well?
It needs all white brushing, under sealing. There's no holes in it.
No holes in it?
No holes in it.
Just surface rust. Just a little rust spots.
Surface rust, yeah. Loads of surface rust.
That's fine then.
No, there's no holes though.
Yeah, we need to white brush all now.
Yeah, white brush.
STI real lights on this. If you didn't know, guys.
Yeah.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Who died?
The car, the rust.
Learn for today.
What's one of the episodes 5 years?
My barbecue.
I'm going out. See you later.
Is you go?
So I'm gonna give you some motivation now, yeah? One of my mates on Instagram, yeah?
Yeah.
I'll show you his Honda Civic and what he's done to it, yeah? EF nav restoration, yeah? Watch this, yeah? I'm gonna show you how bad his car was. Are you supposed to be watching this for get some motivation instead of playing with the handle on the jack? For God's sake, kids, these. So check this car out, yeah? This guy motivated me.
Is that type of?
That's a Honda Civic, but it's an old one, yes. Check this out. So check the underneath of his car, yeah?
It looks a bit like this one here.
Yeah, look. You see that? You see that in it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now look, it's grinded it all down, yeah? Fully dirty. Took all the shocker springs, everything out. Sprayed the red oxy primer. And then he's even took the engine out.
Oh.
Fully sprayed the engine bay. Yeah, I'll show you one where he was underneath the car. Where's the one where he... Look, so this is underneath the car. So that's the, you know, like it comes with the stuff. What's that thing called?
Under seal.
Under seal. So he's literally grinded the under seal of the whole car down.
No, left.
Underneath. Literally to see how to fully look at that.
No under seal left.
No under seal left on one side. Look. He's under seal. This guy my motivation. Well, not mine, your lot's motivation because you're not going to do it. See what I mean? So that's what you have to do. Look. That's what you're going to look like after.
Yeah.
Literally, look, he was covered with the under seal. So yeah, you got an idea now, haven't you?
Yeah.
You need to either fully wire brush it, see where the rust is, make sure there's no holes in the chassis, because if there is a hole in the chassis it'll fail MOT. So we need to make sure that it is roadworthy there, because if we're spending that much money on it, we need to make sure that it is covering the costs.
Worth it, innit, idiot?
Was it getting us all in? At that angle? Sick, eh?
Wide angle, bro.
Yeah, so what's it called?
We need to make sure it's
We need to make sure that if you're spending that much money that it's gonna last a year, then there's no point spending 5 grand on a car that you can't even drive for a year, then you have to scrap it.
Yeah.
So you need to make sure that it is,
last year at least.
you know what I mean, it's suitable.
It's roadworthy.
Roadworthy. Come on then,
Like rock.
make a start.
Maybe next time.
Make a start, then you have to go underneath it and then see how bad it is.
I checked it.
Yeah.
Just surface rust.
No, go on quickly, you have to go underneath it and check it.
I've checked it.
You haven't checked it, go get the wire brush and start wire brushing everything.
Not now.
Why not now?
Now it's too late.
It's too late, this is the time bloody where the stuff happens.
No, you should clean the inside and everything
Eh?
first, yeah.
We need to do what?
The inside and
No,
everything.
don't worry about the inside, the underneath's more important. It starts from underneath and then goes out to the inside. Rust starts from the underneath and works his way out.
Yeah, we'll do it.
Yeah, come on then.
Yeah, we'll do it.
Yeah, but come on then, wait. Yeah, but come on then.
I've exactly why we checked it.
Yeah, but you have to go get the wire brush and then go get a screwdriver and poke it with the screwdriver everywhere. If it goes through, then you know where the hole is, innit?
Yeah.
So come on.
We'll get a screwdriver.
You know what I mean? How many times you have to motivate this guy to do something? Jack it up. The only thing I heard with the jacket stuff and the car dropped in like 30 seconds. Come on. He's on it in, he's on it in, he's to get on it.
Let him Jackie, I'll put the stand underneath.
Have a look, go have a look. Make sure it slots in. Oh, you got a scratch.
No,
Ah. Ah. Careful, man. Careful, Bigfoot. Oh yeah, that's it. About a new nickname for you, Bigfoot.
there's a hole here.
Eh?
Oh, these are sealed. Oh shit.
Oh, that's the hole where the wall leaks out of, man.
Oh, that's the boot in it. Oh yeah. Where's the rusted? I can't see it.
Have a look on the chassis legs and stuff like that.
Yeah. All this.
That's the
rusted.
subframe, innit?
Oh shit.
It's these chassis legs here that you need to keep an eye out for. Looks like it is just surface rust, doesn't it? Usually these bits here is where they go, you know, these
Yeah.
edges here, yeah? Usually most of them don't have these edge bits there.
This has got it.
What about the fuel pipes? These fuel pipes don't look too good, man, and brake pipes, man.
These.
Inside there, you know, when you go where the fuel filler pipe is, where the petrol comes in from,
I can see where.
this pipe here, the big thick one,
Yeah.
where?
This. Oh,
Next
this.
to that, yeah. That's the pipe. On top of that, there's like some other little pipes.
Oh, there.
I think it's there.
Yeah, look at that rust there.
Yeah. So you need to check for like them sort of pipes, and when you go a bit further in,
Yeah.
you'll see more pipes.
Come on, brother. 24.
It's not Corona time.
Let me go there.
He's ready.
Okay, check with the flat first, innit?
Have a look. Have a look in it all over. Clean like all the area off. Then have a look for big holes. So we can weld the plate on if you need to weld the plate on.
Get some gloves. What do you want? Gloves.
You want gloves as well? Why do you want gloves for?
Rust is dangerous.
Rust is not dangerous here.
Why am I
It's not asbestos. It doesn't have asbestos in it.
What the hell is asbestos?
You don't know what asbestos is?
No, is it?
Asbestos is hazardous substance that's
Substance.
they used to use in cement or in places
Why, burn the
where no, it doesn't burn your skin. In insulation, so in olden days brakes, you know, the old school car brakes, they used to have asbestos. The what other bits used to have asbestos? You know, walls.
Yeah. The inside.
Where they used to like seal stuff.
Yeah.
So like heat, temperature stuff. That is. Did I spit on you?
Maybe.
Mate, my food come out.
The porridge came out with it.
Oh, sorry, mate. I'm trying to explain to you in detail.
No,
You
this car has
understand?
nothing. Asbestos.
The car's old, but it's not that old. I think it was in the 1700s. No, I'm joking. Maybe in the 1830s, 1930s to the 1970s.
One of the cars you have to start from the front like this.
Yeah, possibly. So yeah, so everybody asks you what asbestos is.
Yeah.
It's dangerous dust that if you breathe in, you can get cancer. So it is serious stuff. Joke aside, put your serious face on. Yeah, so it's dangerous stuff. Hello. Why you hammering the?
Look at this, but.
Oh, to get the rust out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I understand. about to get real. It's got the grinder out and the boiler underneath. It's about to get real.
Keep my distance.
No, alright, nothing will fly off. Just touch it lightly, yeah?
Skim it.
I'll start with this one here. Get that one done.
Start with like the main chassis legs. Hold on, let me just see. Which bits?
I've started off this one.
No, they're just bars. Don't worry about them.
What legs?
They're just bars. What, you've been cleaning the bars all that time?
So the legs this?
No, that's the
Rack. The bar here.
that's not the rack. The rack bees at the front. That's the anti-roll bar. But here, look here, up here. See these here?
And you clean them?
Yeah, they're your chassis legs and everything.
I'm gonna clean them.
Yeah, just like that. Hold on, let me get out first. Clean them and then go underneath, past the
That's all clean.
past the fuel tank. You need to go past the fuel tank.
That's all clean.
Huh?
That's all clean.
That's
Ready
all
to-
clean,
ready
yeah.
to-
It is pretty clean, to be honest with you. It's not bad, is it? Hold on. Yeah, look. It's pretty clean, but still just it's not that bad, that.
It's not it's clean. Don't
But if
stop.
you want to clean it up. But what I'm saying is past that
Oh, down on there.
yeah, up there.
That's rusty.
Up there, and you know where the tank is, the fuel tank.
Yeah.
Check around there.
That's clean. I've checked it.
You sure? Keep hold. What's happening? It's got a safety thing on it. Pull it here. Push it forward. Slide that thing. It's got like a little safety thing. So what's the plan?
Yeah, washing the car.
They're washing underneath it to get rid of all the grime. Tough pipe, mate.
Oh, it's bending or something.
Right, let's put the pipe on.
200 years later.
Yes.
Get like a knife or something.
A knife.
This is on this.
Use a flat one here.
No, knife. Chop it.
Chop it.
Wanted a multicolored knife, so I give him
I give him. Are you Russian?
the multicolored knife. Hold it, I don't wanna blunt it.
Done it. I think it'll be harder to put on now.
No, because that other one.
Hello, why are you killing
It's my friend.
is your friend?
Yeah.
Put a knife to her neck.
No, I was just seeing if you can smell it.
No, that's it, go on. It's gonna hit.
Yeah.
What the hell, Dawood?
I'm working on the
Cube?
cars.
So square look.
Yeah, so when I'm working on the cars, she helps me out.
She observes you.
Yeah, make sure I'm doing it all correctly. But now she's observing you guys. Hi.
Your hand was just flying in the air for a good 10 seconds.
Wheel it out, wheel it out, wheel it out. Out all the way, yeah. And what you do is press the button on, keep the button on, then you have to run it.
Off, that is it off.
What's up?
It stays off for a little while. You have to run it till it builds up pressure.
Yeah.
Give it like 10-15 seconds.
It's coming. It's coming in hot.
And then when it's full,
Where's it?
switch it on here. that mud. Okay, so that's both sides cleaned up. A lot of muck come out of that, didn't it?
There's a load.
All that mud and stuff. So yeah, we can't go back underneath yet until it dries up. Plus, now the muck has gone. You can see where the holes
Fountain.
and rust were. So yeah,
Put it back next to the fish.
until next time.
Peace.